It's been said that money moves faster than your life, but most people have never stopped to ask what money actually is. It's not paper, not the numbers, it's time. Time, here today, then gone. Compressed, saved, passed. It's a walk, it's a click. Use it wisely.
Ancestors, your struggles give me strength. I carry your hope for the next generation. The book ensures me I need to act now. Not out of fear, but out of responsibility.
So you got what you wanted, but you'll be back begging. You can't buy anything. They aren't going to let you be anything. You have nothing.
All I ever wanted is to have a good life for my family, but the debt kept coming. Heaven knows I tried for nothing. Difficulties show what men are.
Hey, Dad, what are you doing?
Well, little girl, I'm buying us a bank.
A bank? Seriously?
It's all right here.
What does that mean? Buying a bank?
It means I don't ask permission anymore. Tradition to borrow, they check your credit, they say yes or no.
So instead of selling, I borrow?
Most people sell their assets when they need cash. They lose the future growth, the compound interest, the legacy.
So how does this actually work? The bank thing?
Crypto is a commodity asset, like oil, like gold, but digital, scarce, programmable. I hold it in a Roth IRA. The gains grow tax-free, forever, no capital gains when I withdraw. I don't keep it all in one place, multiple custodians. The family stays in control. Not a bank, not a government, us.
I'll do the same.
Next. Somehow, I will survive this.
The debtor tried. He failed. The freedman tried. He is still walking. The difference is not effort. It is refusing to stop when effort fails.
No entry. Take your business elsewhere.
Has any wife ever had such a husband?
Thank you. The bank was built, the door was closed, he walked away, but his children's children's children would come back, with capital, with Donamics, with a click. It's time to record your history.
for the ones who walked, for the ones who clicked, for the ones who will buy the next bank. Donamics Capital, building the infrastructure for everyone.
For my family. And others.
Yes, completing the transfer. Hello?
There's been an accident. You need to come to the hospital now.
What? No, that's impossible!
She fell. Head trauma. We're doing everything we can. But prepare yourself.
We gather here today not just in sorrow, but in love. To honor. Time. There is a time for everything under the sun. With undeniable love and devotion in all things, her family and loved ones will endure. She had prepared a way, so let us all.
Time costs more than money, but it helps. Jackie knew this. She paid with her days, her love, her devotion. The question is no longer for her. Are you prepared?
Hello, Deborah. Nice of you to call.
I know it's been difficult, but whenever you and Melinda are ready, call me. I'll schedule a time for Jackie's will.
Jackie was clear. She always was. To my daughter Melinda, I leave my entire crypto portfolio. All of it. Jackie was clear. She said you would know what to do with it. She trusted you. The bank was bought. The crypto is inherited. The daughter is now the steward. That is how legacy works. Not in one generation, in the next. Jackie asked me to explain her strategy. Not just what she did. Why? Core, 50%. Low volatility anchor. Bitcoin, 30 to 35%. Growth, 30%. Assets core, low volatility anchor, 50%. Speculative, high risk, high return, 20%. This structure ensures risk is contained and intentional. This structure ensures you are always in the market. Risk is contained and intentional. Jackie replaced, is now the right time? Jackie replaced, is now the right time with 3 questions. She said that was the key. Is the trend up? Is capital rotating into this sector? If 2/3 equals yes, take the position. She thought of everything. Jackie thought of everything. Not because she was afraid, because she loved them. She wanted them to have a system, not just money. A weight is the strategy. That is the legacy.
The paper! It's mine now! You forced it! I'll kill you before you take my house!
You are not taking my house! Security!
We should go.
Deborah, thank you for being here.
Anytime, anywhere, Michael. You and Melinda are family.
I took a loan against the crypto. Bought the new house outright. No bank. Just me.
Jackie would be proud. I got the job at the firm. Now I'll be able to help others as I was helped.
All units, be advised, reports are coming in of a global mass robbery. Proceed with caution.
The World Bank building, now.
Stay calm, we're almost there. Let them close in. I am ready.
Are you ready?
Mr. Chairman, I hope you had a pleasant trip.
Shall we continue? Now, let's build.
We can't trade like this. Every week, new rules. Every day, new risks.
EDFs, licensing, institutional access?
I don't even know what we are anymore. Let's call the firm, the one that got help from Donamics Capital.
Every trader is a business owner. Most never pursue ownership. Not because they cannot, because the system taught them not to. Confusion is not an accident.
It is a feature. The rules change, the risks shift, the classification blurs, and while they are confused, the system profits. That is by design. Your job is to undesign it, benefit from it.
Lights out!
SEC case, small startup, they need help.
ETFs, clear licensing frameworks, institutional access, sudden enforcement action.
We accept.
Excellent. The file is on the desk.
Let's get to work. Reviewing the terms now. Thank you all for coming. We have a lot to cover. Today, we're covering two major crypto topics, crypto asset flow and the crypto project.
Sounds good.
We'll start with the crypto assets chart. This session is aligned with our affiliate, Donamics Capital LLC. Okay. Melinda and I will start with the crypto assets chart. Let's get started.
All crypto falls into four groups: means of exchange, investment, utility, and hybrid. This is about using crypto as money. The key question is the value stable. Non-stable coins, Bitcoin, prices go up and down, not ideal for everyday payments. Stable coins, designed to stay steady. Two ways: algorithm-based, controlled by code, riskier, or pegged, backed by real assets, multiple currencies, crypto, or single.
Simple takeaway, crypto can be for payments, investing, or utility. If it's money, is it stable or volatile? Stablecoins act like digital dollars. Others behave like risk assets. Questions? Yes?
They think this is volatility, noise, coincidence, but this is structure.
It's crashing! The whole crypto market is tanking!
Market manipulations trigger a global crypto collapse. Chaos erupts worldwide as trust evaporates.
They're early, too early. So we don't stop the market, we confuse it.
This is not retail-driven. Institutions don't move this fast unless risk is reduced, access is approved, ETFs, and allocation mandates are triggered. This confirms phase A of the cycle.
I want hesitation, doubt, noise. I want them to question every move they make. Give me a big, beautiful mess.
Don't be confused. The numbers are real. March 2024, 61 institutions. June 24, 76. Institutional participation has exploded.
I want hype, but hide what's necessary. Hold or hope, then bring the hammer. I want them to see false patterns, show them the moon burn like the sun. Make it happen, quietly at first, then you know what to do.
Markets don't just move on data, they move on belief.
ETFs allow pension funds, hedge funds, asset managers to buy BTC without holding crypto directly. Wall Street is now inside the crypto market. What most people misunderstand, this does not mean top is in or too late to buy. What smart money is doing, accumulating BTC quietly, not chasing altcoins yet.
Key takeaway. Institutional adoption is accelerating rapidly, which means Bitcoin is being accumulated as a foundation asset. This is typically the early stage of a larger market expansion. Questions? Turning confusion into clarity. It's just noise, right? Hearing funds are rotating out, ETF flow stalling, taking profits, you?
BTC ETF holders trending upward. Net inflow steady.
No, 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 it's all crash. Yeah. Sell everything, it's over.
Time to cash out.
So long, volatility.
Flows haven't changed. Only the story has. Watch the hands, not the headlines.
Retail's reacting macro chatter. It's spreading.
Good.
Add-on weakness.
Noise is loud.
Retail adoption. That word, adoption. Sounds like less than. Other.
Break the design. Break the design.
Break the design.
Break the design.
Break the design.
Whoa! Look at that. All season ahead. 100 games. No!
Did I miss it?
This is where most people enter, and where the real game begins.
This is where everything accelerates. Capital leaves safety and chases opportunity. Altcoins explode, gains multiply, and suddenly, everyone is a trader. But in the noise, the smartest money is already thinking about the exit.
Listen up, everyone. I have good news and some bad news. We are implementing new AI agents to analyze trades. We will make a lot of money. Maya, Chen, Reynolds, sorry this is your last day. You've done a great job, but good luck.
What the hell?
I have bills and a dog to feed. Now what?
Crypto sentiment remains negative.
Unimportant, muffled news, then silence. Quiet, deliberate, no panic.
I need your help. Please, Chen.
I sold at the bottom. I knew it was noise. I sold anyway.
I threw a monitor. Lost my temper, lost my job, lost my pride. Didn't help my dog.
We can't change what we did.
I didn't help my dog.
We can't change what we did. But we can change what we do next.
I still believe in crypto. Not the hype, the structure, the access.
Then let's do it right this time. No chasing, no panic, just the system.
What you see on the chart is not the full story. Every spike, every crash, every candle on that chart is not the market telling you the truth. It's the market telling you how people feel. When fear hits, holders sell. The traders who win long-term are not the ones who chase price. They are the ones who read sentiment and anchor their decisions in what the network is actually doing underneath.
Wait! Come back!
Breaking news! Crypto market crashes! Why? Someone help me! Today!
Hey, Craig, we need to talk.
Energy. It always exists. Nothing can live without it, but it can build or destroy everything.
We need to prolong this longer!
What do I get?
You get to stay out of jail. What is this? I just had a taco.
This is the system, not the chairman's war room, not the trading floor, a golf course, a taco, a threat. That is where the rules are written.
I've spent 15 years watching markets from the inside, not as a trader, as the person who builds the systems traders depend on. When Maya and Chen came to me, I didn't say no. I said, look at this first. 1 year ago, 850,000 code commits per week on GitHub. Developers building blockchain infrastructure, smart contracts, protocols. The foundation of everything crypto promises to be. Today, 210,000, a 75% collapse.
Craig, price is up.
The market doesn't care yet. 4,600 active blockchain developers left on the entire platform. That's not a dip, that's a migration. And here's where they went. 4.3 million AI projects on GitHub, up 178% in 12 months. So developers move to AI. That doesn't mean crypto is dead. Institutions are buying the asset. Nobody is building the ecosystem. Bitcoin ETFs just brought Wall Street in. Institutions are buying. Maya, Chen, I want this to work. I've watched you both grind for years, but I need you to understand what I see from where I sit. Price moves on sentiment, value is built by developers, and right now, the developers are leaving. This isn't a reason to stop. It's a reason to be smarter than everyone else who isn't looking at this data. So, tell me your idea. And tell me why it still works, even if this trend continues. Because if you can answer that, I'm in.
Ah! What the? The train stopped!
Perfect timing.
Wait, what? How do you do that?
Most people think crypto adoption begins when prices explode, but the truth is that adoption starts quietly before the public notices. Long before the public notices, developers are building infrastructure behind the scenes, payment rails, settlement systems, security layers, designed to move value faster than traditional finance. The market often ignores this stage because prices may still look weak, but this is where the foundation for future growth is actually created.
So you're not betting on price?
Today's global banking system still locks trillions of dollars inside pre-funded accounts around the world. Banks must keep money sitting idle in different countries just to process international transfers. That system is slow, expensive, and inefficient. Crypto networks are being designed to solve this exact problem by allowing you to move instantly across the link in multiple locations. As institutions begin using crypto infrastructure for real financial activity, bank transfers, treasury operations, security settlement, and cross-border payments, demand for the underlying network increases. The more transactions processed through a network, the more valuable that network can become. In this model, crypto stops functioning as pure speculation and begins operating like global financial infrastructure.
Another key point, institutions cannot simply enter crypto because prices are rising. Large financial firms need legal certainty, compliance frameworks, and clear rules before deploying billions of dollars into digital assets. That is why regulatory coordination between agencies like the SEC and CFTC matters so much. Without alignment, institutions sit on the sidelines. Once institutions believe the rules are stable, so the delay hurts everyone, not just retail. Exactly. The longer the fight, the longer the wait.
Please, I need to send money to my mother for medicines.
It will take 3 days and fees are 15%. Bank policy. Nothing I can do.
One of the biggest shifts in crypto is self-custody. Traditionally, banks control access to money, but crypto allows individuals to hold and secure assets themselves through private wallets. This means retail traders can become their own bank, controlling their liquidity, protecting their assets, participating directly in global financial systems without relying entirely on intermediaries.
No banks, no permission, that's what they're afraid of.
JP Morgan Chase is actively building their digital assets team. Next, Morgan Stanley is transforming its financial crimes division. Citigroup, a director role up to $300K. This shows the scale. Fidelity, a director in reliability engineering, $126 to $255K. This is the evidence. The build is real. Jefferies, equity research associate for crypto and digital assets, $100 to $120K. Building, not waiting, building.
The banks are terrified. They think stablecoins will pull deposits out of the system. Low-interest savings accounts can't compete with crypto yields. And they're right. That's exactly what will happen. Which is why we can't let the Clarity Act move forward. Banking groups are arguing it will weaken traditional lending. No deposits, no loans. That argument buys us time. Then there's the SEC. Some senators worry the act shifts authority toward the CFTC. Less control for them, more confusion for everyone. Confusion is the point. As long as they're fighting over who regulates what, nothing passes. We keep things exactly as they are.
Let's build our banks.
Is everybody safe?
Yes, Sergeant. All good here. We're good. Move out. Back to base. Hey, I miss you both so much.
Hey, I miss you both so much.
We got the crypto wallet set up, like you showed us.
That wallet is yours. No bank can freeze it. No one can take it. You are your own bank now.
So Daddy's mommy is safe?
Yes, baby, Daddy's money is safe, and so are we.
Those dumb money holders. Roughly 85% of the crypto market trying to act like banks, trying to change the way things have always been. It's un-American. We must protect the system.
It's my...
Love you.
Thank you, Daddy, for protecting us.
The Clarity Act is not just about crypto. It is about who controls the future movement of money, payments, liquidity, and financial instruments.
I never thought I'd see the day.
It's a beautiful one.
In the S&P, I thought, well, maybe that's Tom's moment. He couldn't get the timing right, because who can? But that was the pullback, and now we're so bulled up on AI that maybe we're going to do just fine for the rest of the year. But you're still looking for a drawdown of 15 to 20%. Is that right?
I am, Scott. I think that 7,300 originally was like an aspirational level, and now that we're here, I think that there still is fuel for a move higher from here. But we do have to confront later this year two things, and maybe it won't affect the markets, but I think it's the trigger for a drawdown. One is, of course, the market will test a new Fed, and this incoming Fed chair has some different theories on the sources of inflation and how to read inflation, and so the market, I believe, will put those views to the test. And of course, the second is that every day that the strait is closed, we know that there's an acute shortage developing of petroleum products. So if price reacts later this year, that's going to test the market. So I do think there's the ingredients for turbulence later, but AI and the scarcity, and the U.S. is the provider of that scarcity, is why I think we can exit 77 or higher. And maybe 2027 is one of the biggest rallies we see in our lifetime.
My purse, stop him!
The rain, we have to go. What is this world coming to?
For food.
The SEC focuses on investor protection and strict compliance. This creates safer, though slower, retail access.
Thank you. CFTC?
The CFTC focuses on commodities, market trading, and flexibility for crypto innovation. We must ensure people have the opportunity to gain economic stability in the pursuit of happiness and be protected.
Where was they when I needed them?
You allow some Virgin Island crooks to take all of it. What are you going to do about that? Just more talk.
Crypto traders aren't just trading charts anymore, they're trading liquidity, regulation, and global financial policy. And at the center of these debates, there are much bigger issues you must understand.
The endless struggle of pushing forward, even when success keeps slipping away.
What? Deposits are disabled? I need to call support now.
Thank you for calling Coinbase support. I can help you resolve this.
Thank you, I was getting worried.
I'm sorry, sir. The funds are gone.
Yeah, I can't make any deposits. I need to fix this.
I'm going to send you a link. Just download the app, run the diagnostic, and we'll have you back up in minutes.
What happened? I was scammed. You have to help me. Please, there must be something you can do.
I'm sorry, sir. We don't have a direct number to share. There's nothing we can do.
Honey, I need the credit card.
In 2025, Americans reportedly lost over $11 billion to crypto-related fraud and scams. As crypto adoption grows, scams grow alongside it. The market is becoming more sophisticated, but so are the criminals. If you or someone you know has been scammed, report the event immediately. Submit a report to the FBI Internet Crime Complaint Center at ic3.gov or contact your local FBI field office.
That's why the debate around the Clarity Act is so important. Much of the bill focuses on deciding which agency should primarily oversee digital assets.
We have worked together before. I have been where you are. And when you get out, stay out. Hey, met with an old friend of ours who needs financial help.
Are you asking us for a bank loan? The future of money is not about who controls it. It is about who can access it.
The invisible. The farmer, the soldier, the scam victim, the mother asking for a credit card. They are not statistics, they are why we build.
Trade with intelligence, not emotion.
Every bank was built on one idea, that you need them more than they need you. You just found out that's not true. Your money, your rules, your bank. The only question left is, what are you going to do with that power? One tool, one signal, one decision. app.donamic-capital.com